In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color space, so RGB color or grayscale on your GIMP application by default, so whatever you want your default settings to be. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is tap the edit button at the top of the window, and then select preferences. Select the item on the left side that says default image. And then on the right side underneath advanced options, the drop down, there should be something that has color space. Click the drop down and you can select either RGB color or grayscale and then select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.